Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the another concept of Kotlin series. In today's video, we will learn about the for loop in Kotlin, one of the most commonly used loops in programming. So I will explain how it works, the different ways of use it, and I will also show you some simple examples as well. I know guys that some of you might not be familiar yet with the range and arrays concept that I'm gonna mention in this video, but don't worry, I will upload detailed videos on both of those topics very soon, so you will clearly understand how they work and how to use them inside the loops. So let's get started. So first of all, we will understand what is for loop. A for loop is used when you want to repeat a block of code a specific number of times. It commonly used to go through a range, arrays, or collections. So the basic syntax of for loop is you need to write for and then write a condition like item in collection. Now it's giving error because we didn't mention it in function, so that's why it's giving a error, and then a braces. So this is the basic syntax of for loop. So let me comment down this. So it is I wrote this just for a general knowledge. Okay, and we'll write that basic basic okay, syntax of for loop. Now let's understand with the example. So first we will take function main. In that we are going to take for loop and understand how it works. For and braces, and in this block I'm gonna write this I'm in this block I'm gonna write the condition and the item I want to print. So first of all, we will take example of range. So for this I'm gonna write I in 1 dot dot 5, that I give the range in for loop and so I want to print ln, and in the string template I want to print number dollar I, as we take I as a variable. So here I have to put dollar sign before writing a variable name in the string template. So first let's run this file and see what output it gives in our console. Then we will understand the range, and I will give you the explanation of this one. So here I did a one mistake, that main. Now it is looks good. Okay, then run this file. So here you can see that it prints the number 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here 1 dot dot 5 means a range from 1 to 5, and the loop will print numbers from 1 to 5. Don't worry if you are not sure what a range is, I will explain in detail in a separate video. So let's take another example of for loop. So I will comment down this and we will move forward to the another example. So in this in for loop I'm going to use uh, until keyword. So let's see how it works. So for I in until 5. Okay, for I in 1 until 5, and then I want to print statement in the block that println. uh, you can use both println and print. I use println because it gives a output in one by one, so you can see very clearly. So print value same as above, dollar $I. Okay, let's run this file and see the output. So here in console you can see that it print the value 1, value 2, value 3 and value 4. Here until means it will go through 1 to 4. It exclude the last number. So until is basically means it exclude the last number. This is another way to control the range in your loop. So let's move forward with the another example of for loop. So let me comment this, and we will move forward to the next example of for loop, that how to use downTo in for loop. So for this I will write for and enter presses. In that we will print statement. In the for loop condition we will use a I in 5 down to it automatically appear 1, and in the block I want to print sorry count down dollar $I. So let's run this file and see the output. So here you can see that it prints the count in console, that countdown 5, countdown 4, countdown 3, countdown 2, countdown 1. So here downtown is basically you can see the reverse order, and also downtown allows you to loop backward, perfect for countdowns, just same like we are doing countdowns on New Year, like 10, 9, 8, 7, some exactly like that. So this is for this downTo is perfect for countdown. So let's comment this and move forward with the another example of for loop. So next is how to use step in for loop. So for that, for I in 1.10, that I take range, and then step 2 I take a range of 1 to 10, and then apply a step keyword, then 2. We will understand after seeing the output, so you can get a better idea. Now I want to print the statement println. Okay, step value, okay, sorry, step value dollar $I. Okay, okay, let's run this file and check the output. Sorry about that. Check the output, and I will explain you what is step and how it works. So here in console you can see that it print the value step value 1, step value 3, 5, 7 and 9. So here step keyword lets you skip the numbers. So basically it's skip a number with you provide, that here it print every second number, like it skip a second number from the range, like it print the value 1 and then skip 2 second number, then print a 3 and then skip another number. So it skip every second number is using a step keyword. So how this is how a step keyword is used in for loop. So let me comment down this and we will see the another concept of for loop. So now let's see how to use array in loop. So for that I have to take one variable. I will take one as fruits and arrays. Okay, array of, in which I will give some fruits name, apples, banana, and let's take another one, cherry. Okay, now it's look good. And here in for loop we'll take a variable fruit in fruits, and in the block I want to print ln this one, this variable which I want in print statement. So let's run this and see what it prints and see the output. Then I will explain how it is work. So here in console you can see that it print the fruits name, apples, banana and cherry, which we take in array and which we provide in variable. Here I don't need to print each value each times, that apples, banana and cherry separately. I just take it in array and give it in a variable and just print the variable name fruit that uh, that are in the fruits variable. So right, so here fruit takes each value in the array. And again, if you don't yet know how array works, no worries, I will make a separate video explaining how array will work, how array is used in Kotlin from scratch. So let's take one another bonus tip example in for loop. So now you understand that how to use array a simple way, and how it to like consider in variable and used in like for loop, right? So for that I'm let's take example of loop with index. So how to use index in loops, that we are going to learn. So for that I have to take one variable. I will take it colors and list of, okay, red, colors red, green, okay, and let's take another one, a blue, okay, a blue one. And now in for loop I want to take index number, so I will provide index color in. As you know, this is the basic syntax of for loop, that in colors, that the variable name colors dot with index. So what gonna happen over here, that it will give a color name with the index number like 1 2 3, and with that index number it will give the names of color. You will get a better idea after you seen the out color. Let's take in a print statement that color at index dollar index, because we are writing in a string template, is dollar color variable. This color is a second one that we are going to use. Now let's run this file and see what it gives the output. Sorry for that. So here in console you can see that color at index 0 is red, at index 1 is green, and at index 2 is blue. Now you have a question that it started with like 1 2 3 like that, but no, in programming language every index, index is start with 0. So whatever the first value is considered as 0 index, second value as first index, and the third value as second index. So here with index with index with index function gives both the index and the value of each element in the list. So it's a super helpful when you want to print position or work with both at the same time. So when you want to print both numbers and the value together, this is the great example of with index, that how to use in for loop, and how to use you can in for loop. So that's how the for loop works in Kotlin. You can use it to repeat code, loop through numbers, arrays, and even custom collections. Okay, then I will soon upload a separate videos on range and arrays, so you will have a complete understanding of how to use these work together in loops. So in the next video I'll see. So guys, I will see you in the next video with another concept of Kotlin series. Have a great day to all of you. See you. Bye bye.